Pancakes. Yeah, just yeah, unclip that and.
My hands are frozen. Don't make jokes. They're wet, frozen.
The ravens come looking for food. This is the dangerous thing about eating on the side of the road in this part of the country. But whatever you do, don't feed them. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, this? What? You don't put cookies and corn chips on your peanut butter banana sandwiches? You're lost. So we just stopped in Watson Lake to get some gas. And one of the nice things to have, and a nice thing to have when you're on long road trips like this, is a water bag. So it's just a really heavy-duty plastic vinyl bag with a spigot on it. And ours is 5 gallons, so it's pretty decent size. But you just carry it in the back of your car, full of water, and then when you need to cook and stuff, or if you just want to wash your face, you can get water easily from that. The only problem is, when you're out in the middle of nowhere, sometimes it can be hard to find a place to fill it up. We're currently in Watson Lake, and at the visitor center, and if you stop at the gas station down here at the corner, they do have a water fill up, but it's like, I don't know, like $6.50 maybe to fill up a 5-gallon jug or water bag or whatever. So we actually stopped at the visitor center, and while I was in there, I asked them if there was anywhere to fill up a water bag in town, and they pointed me to the washroom, which is actually, it's the restroom, but there's also, you can pay for showers, and there's even a sauna in there, and there's a spigot on the wall, and they were just like, yeah, you can just fill up in there. And I asked if it cost anything, and they said no. So, got 5 gallons of water for free. Now, if it's going to be the tastiest water I've ever had, probably not. It's just city water, but it should be treated, I would hope. But let me show you what that looks like. Five-gallon water bag, just filled it up. It's a nice little spigot. So if you're going on long road trips and you don't have a water bag, definitely pick one up. And they're quite handy, so. I'll try to put a link in the description for one.
The type to inspire lust. Worst of all, my no. Sonia and Kolya stared at me and seemed worried.
Sticks.
There's one over here. That's not one.
I mean, it could be one.
Yeah, she doesn't have a table, though.
I think we're gonna set up our tent right there. All right, so here's the rub.
It's raining. That's the rub.
It's raining, but we're at our campsite for the night. This particular campsite is called Morchua Lake Recreation Site. Plenty of campsites. It's free. It's on the road south, which I should mention what road that is. So we are actually on 37 South, British Columbia, 37 South. So What we did was, I mentioned earlier that we stopped and got some fuel and filled up our water bag in
Watson Lake.
Watson Lake. That was actually like 15-minute drive from where we were going to turn and go south. So we actually overshot 37, went to Watson Lake, filled up, got water, and then drove back.
Some of us needed Wi-Fi
Some of us needed
for
Wi-Fi.
work purposes.
Yep. And so we took a break there, and then we went back and got on 37. So 37 is not a terribly well maintained road.
I mean, it kind of looks like the county or the territory or something. It was just like, you know what, we need a road here. Let's just do it, and it'll be done. Like, I mean, bare minimum sort of thing. Like, no painted lines or shoulders or anything like that. It's just a road.
Yep, no line, no shoulders. So you want to be extra careful driving down this road. Watch for other cars, because it can also get a little bit narrow at times.
But it's not terribly potholy.
No, it's not. It's actually not that bad.
And pretty well paved.
There are a couple patches where it was a little gravelly, but nothing too bad. There are a couple bridges that we've gone over, and they're the type of bridges that you do not want to share with a large truck. So be wary of that.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to go an extra, I don't know, 600-700 kilometers out of the way, if you happen to be going down into Washington the way we're going, you can go back the way we came originally, which is back all the way to... I don't think you have to go all the way back to Jasper.
No, it's like toward... back through Liard Hot Springs and Fort Nelson. And then down toward, like, Edmonton and Calgary.
Just past Juneau today.
Oh boy,
It's
that's
right there.
not longitudinal, it's latitudinal.
Right.
This way.
So that's pretty interesting.
Yeah, except for you can't drive there. You cannot drive to Juneau, Alaska. Just a heads up. Because I thought about it. And then I looked at a map.
If you're driving to anywhere in Alaska, it is a huge pain. That is all there is to it.
I mean, you can't even drive to those places. You can't drive to Juneau. You can't drive to Ketchikan. Because I'd love to go to those places.
Yeah, but just going to Anchorage, you have to go up and over
It's
and
true.
back down again.
There's
I
one
don't-
road everywhere.
I don't
To
know.
anywhere you want to go. There's like one road.
That's just kind of the nature of it, though.
Yeah.
It's the last, the final frontier?
The
What was
last frontier.
It's the last frontier. So
Last
what are you going to
frontier.
do? Anyway, that is behind us. We're on our way to Washington through British Columbia, which is really stinking big.
Yeah.
So it's going to take a couple days.
Mm-hmm.
It's already taken us, well, this is our first day in British Columbia, I guess.
Technically.
Driving through it, I guess, yeah. And
there's no cell service, so I
There-
guess I'm not making that phone call that I have tomorrow morning. Sorry, man. We'll talk later.
we're going to set up a tent in the rain. We'll see you tomorrow.